In this video, we will learn how to easily record your screen directly from PowerPoint 365 and insert the video into your presentation slides. This feature is especially helpful when you want to record yourself explaining content during a slideshow and save the file for future use, for example, to send to students or colleagues. To begin, open PowerPoint and go to the Home tab. From there, you will see the option labeled Record. Click on this option to start the screen recording process. When you click on Record, a new screen will appear showing the recording interface. This is where you will carry out the screen capture. You will see a sample slide displayed on the screen. Now click on the recording button again and select Start Recording. At this point, PowerPoint will begin recording both your screen and any audio if you have a microphone enabled. You can start explaining your slide content or anything shown on your screen. Whenever you want to stop recording, simply click the stop button on the recording interface. Once the recording is complete, the video will automatically be inserted into the slide where you started the process. You can preview it directly within the slide to ensure it captured everything as expected. The video file will also be saved with the presentation, so you can download it or share it as needed. This method makes it very convenient to create instructional content directly inside PowerPoint without using any third-party tools. This is how you can record your screen and add it to a PowerPoint slide quickly and efficiently. It's a practical function for educators, trainers, or anyone needing to provide explanations directly within a presentation.